Trisha po. Trisha. Trisha po. Trisha. May delivery po kayo. Wait lang ha. Okay.
Wala, iyak na yan.
Bunso, happy birthday, Bunso. I promise you that I will devote the rest of my life to providing you with unlimited love and affection. Pakabait ka at sana mag-aral ka mabuti. Tandaan mo na andito lang si Mama, laging handang magbigay ng suporta sa lahat ng inyong pangangailangan. Again, happy birthday, Bunso. I love you and I miss you so much. See you on December. From your loyal subject, aka your parent. Ayok.
Uwi namin po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Saba. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Okay, Ryan. Asa to, Ryan. Message mo kay Mama.
Ba, di na